In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Cities Skylines 2 on your PC. The first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to see more content like this. The next step is quickly search up this game on Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So stick to the end of the video and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. Quickly go to the Steam website. Don't waste too much time over there, because we are only searching it up, and then select the game Cities Skylines 2. Then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is quite expensive on Steam. €49.99 for the normal edition. Now, what you need to do next is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here we are going to search for the same game Cities Skylines 2. Then search for the game. And after that we will select games on the left side. Then sort by price lowest first. And then we need to scroll a little bit down till we will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. Now the next step is to select the game and open the game page, and then you will find out that we can already download this game for just €28.83 compared to the Steam price of €49.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!